Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to film my December online income report. I call myself going to the room which would have the least amount of echo because my office is terrible. It's beautiful, but as far as echoing is horrific. So I am in the guest room and I am going to hope that this turns out a little better than the video that I filmed previously. So we are going to be talking about how much money I earned during the month of December. I haven't really added everything up, but I probably would not guess that it was my highest month by any means, but it was a good month and I'm super excited to share the information with you guys. In 2020, I don't know if I'm going to be doing these monthly or like quarterly or something like that, but I'm definitely going to continue to share, you know, how to make money online and at least a number about what I am making, because I feel like I can't come on here telling you guys that Etsy is a profitable source if I'm not sharing with you if it's profitable for me, or it, you know, because what's profitable for me may not be profitable to someone else. So, you know, just depending on the cost of living and all of that. So anyway, let me go ahead and get situated here. I do have my planner here. This is my 2019 budget planner. I pretty much keep all financial information in here. Obviously it's almost 2020, so I'm going to maybe change the cover. It's not really that big of a deal. I don't really care that much, but I have a little sheet in here where I track online income, and I just track it in the month of December or the respective month. So let's go ahead and find, oh, there it is. So yeah, here it is. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for the month of December for YouTube, which is Google AdSense, I earned $3,258.49. I am a part of the Google AdSense program via YouTube. I do have a blog, but it's not monetized. If it were monetized through Google AdSense, which is what I would like, then I would also have like 2 streams of income through Google AdSense. But currently I just have one, which is YouTube, and like I said, I earn $32.58.49. So for the month of December for Chime, which is basically a referral program, Chime is a mobile bank or online bank, and if I refer people, then I get $10. For December I earned, well, I lied on all of that. For YouTube, I was actually paid my earnings from November, because that's how they do it. You get paid a month out. So I got paid. I'm going to be telling you guys what I was paid for the month of December. So I was paid $3,258.49 from YouTube for December. In December, and from Chime I was paid $90. That's technically from my earnings from November, because they pay a month out or the next month as well, because you can't get paid in the same month, because most of them will calculate how much you earned during the, you know, the calendar month. So the 30 days or the 31 days or the 28 days or whatever, and then after they get that total, they can then pay you. So they can pay you on the 1st or the 2nd of that new month, but you pretty much gotta wait. It's kind of like my own online income report videos or my budget recap videos for our family budget. You can't really reconcile a budget during any month if you don't wait until the last day of the month. So anyway, that's how that works. So for ShareASale, which I benefit from ShareASale through the Erin Condren affiliate program. This is an Erin Condren planner. I am an Erin Condren affiliate. They pay me to promote their products essentially. And so although I earned this money in November, in December I was paid $74.70. And I don't really have a spirit of promoting products. It just does not come naturally for me. Like, I see some people on Instagram or wherever, they'll talk a whole lot about, you know, swiping up to purchase this or that, or, you know, here's my affiliate link or what have you. I just don't have that spirit. I obviously don't think anything's wrong with it. If you can make a little change by having people to swipe up and purchase through your link, which costs you nothing and costs the consumer or, you know, whomever nothing, then I am all for that, obviously. But it just doesn't come natural for me to use my social media because I kind of use my social media as I would like a person. I don't really use it. I do use it in a businessy type of way, but if you ever like watch my Instagram or even my Facebook or whatever, normally the same stuff I'm posting on there is the same stuff I post on my personal stuff as well, my personal social media. So I don't really use it in like a businessy way. Even my Instagram thread, like the news feed, if you go on there, you're not gonna see a lot of like, you know, sponsored stuff or paid promotion type stuff or click this link and so I can earn money kind of stuff. I know that sounds crazy, but I just don't have that spirit. So I pretty much almost never tell anybody to you know, use my link or whatever. So I would say that's probably the cause of that. Although it's kind of tricky because you would think, considering Erin Condren has their big sale on Black Friday usually every year, or you would think a lot of spending takes place, you know, during like November or December, and it could have taken place, just not by using my link. But anyway, you would think it would have been a little more, but I mean, once you really think about it, I don't really care really that it isn't a lot, but also it's just what it is. It's like a natural consequence of not really promoting that much, if that makes any sense. So next up is coaching. I have not really had my scheduler open for coaching. I do small business coaching, Etsy coaching, YouTube coaching, so on and so forth. And I haven't really had my scheduler open in months really, because I've been really busy with, you know, buying my first house. And I do plan to open it up in January and get back on the ball, at least like once a week, open it up for a couple of hours. But it wasn't really open in December, but I did schedule something for January, and of course you have to pay at the time that you book. So the person booked in December and for 1 hour, so that was $57.96 after PayPal takes their fees. And what I was gonna say is, why am I making this a thing? I technically have been paid that money, but I won't actually transfer it over to our checking account until after the coaching takes place, because I don't remember if I offer cancellations or not or whatever, but I normally just don't pay myself until after the service is completed, if that makes any sense. So next we have Amazon. I'm also kind of surprised by Amazon. Not really, it normally isn't really that high, but well, you have to also, Amazon also pays 2 months out. So this, what I was paid in December, is money that I earned in October. So maybe it will be more in the coming months. But anyway, it was $59.62. I was gonna say you would think it would be higher because of the holidays and people shopping and stuff, but not really, because this is money from October. So next we have Etsy. I have actually been paid more than this, which is pretty much what I say every month, because Etsy is just like a constant thing. Orders are coming in, money is coming in, but I only set myself up to get paid every Monday. So while there is more money that I could withdraw at this very moment, today is the last day of December, there is more money that I could withdraw at this very moment if I wanted to, because I can withdraw it daily if I wanted to, but I just allow myself to get paid every Monday. So what I'm telling you is how much actually came to my bank account for the month of December. And that was $3,072.21. From affiliately, I was paid $2.07. That was money that I earned last month in November. And for Erin Condren referrals, I got $330. And so I literally don't have a total. So I need a total. So adding that up, we have 325849 plus 90 plus 74, 70 plus 5796 plus 5962 plus 307221 plus 207 plus 330. Huh. So close, yet so far away. Almost close to 7,000. $6,945.05. So that is how much I was paid in the month of December, and I'm super excited to bust January wide open and 2020 wide open and start, you know, seeing what I can come up with, exploring different options and new income sources, so on and so forth. Of course, I will be sharing those with you guys all the while. But yeah, that is how I did for the month of December. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.